In an era marked by rapid technological advancement, one innovation stands out for its potential to reshape the landscape of countless industries: artificial intelligence, AI. This revolutionary technology, driven by machine learning and data analysis, has the power to unlock new dimensions of efficiency, personalization, and innovation. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to entertainment, the impact of AI is reaching far and wide, heralding a new era of possibilities. In the realm of healthcare, AI is emerging as a trusted ally in diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data, AI systems can assist doctors in making more accurate diagnoses, leading to improved patient outcomes. Moreover, the pharmaceutical industry is experiencing a transformation as AI accelerates drug discovery, potentially bringing life-saving medications to market faster than ever before. Finance, often defined by its intricate web of data-driven decisions, is undergoing a seismic shift due to AI integration. Algorithms capable of analyzing market trends and customer behavior in real time are reshaping investment strategies and customer experiences. Fraud detection and risk assessment are becoming more precise and efficient, safeguarding both financial institutions and their customers. The manufacturing sector, too, is witnessing a paradigm shift as AI-driven robots take center stage. These intelligent machines optimize production processes, predict maintenance needs, and ensure consistent quality control. This convergence of AI and manufacturing has the potential to revolutionize industries ranging from automotive to electronics, creating a new standard of efficiency and precision. Retail is not immune to this wave of innovation, as AI personalizes marketing efforts, forecasts demand, and enhances customer interactions. Shopping experiences are becoming more tailored, resulting in higher customer satisfaction and increased brand loyalty. Meanwhile, transportation is on the cusp of a transformation, with self-driving vehicles promising safer roads, reduced congestion, and enhanced logistics. While industries like energy, agriculture, and education have been adopting AI to optimize processes and improve outcomes, sectors such as real estate, legal services, and entertainment are also exploring the integration of AI to streamline operations and provide better experiences. The implications of AI stretch further, touching upon realms of security, human resources, construction, environmental monitoring, and beyond. With AI-powered cybersecurity solutions, businesses can better protect themselves against digital threats. HR departments can harness AI for more effective recruitment and talent management, while the construction industry benefits from AI's ability to optimize project management and enhance safety. As AI technology continues to evolve, ethical considerations and regulatory frameworks are of paramount importance. Striking a balance between innovation and responsibility will shape the trajectory of AI's impact on society. Nevertheless, the journey towards AI integration has already begun, and its influence on industries is undeniable. In conclusion, AI's transformative potential is reshaping industries across the spectrum, from healthcare to entertainment, and finance to agriculture. The convergence of data, algorithms, and computing power is driving innovation at an unprecedented pace, unlocking new efficiencies, personalized experiences, and novel possibilities. As businesses and sectors adapt to this AI-driven future, collaboration between technology, ethics, and regulation will pave the way for a smarter, more connected world.